Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to make an ancient old recipe which is majorly consumed in Goa during Christmas time. Loved by kids and adults both. Dodol. Dodol is made with just 3 healthy ingredients. Neither it contains oil nor maida. So let's get started. Firstly, I am going to break this huge coconut and scrape it off. We need thick coconut milk and thin coconut milk separately. So here I am adding 3 cups of freshly grated coconut to a grinding jar. Now add 1.5 cup lukewarm water. Lukewarm water helps to extract all the coconut milk easily. Now grind this coarsely. Using a strainer, strain this mixture completely, and here is our 1.5 cup thick coconut milk ready. Look at this. Now to the same coconut pulp, add another 2.5 cups lukewarm water. Grind it a bit and using the same strainer, squeeze out all the coconut milk, and here is our 2.5 cups thin coconut milk ready. I have taken this palm jaggery. In Goa, it is easily available in the local market. Alternatively, you can also get it delivered online. I have grated this palm jaggery and adding 1.5 cup to the thin coconut milk. By measurement, palm jaggery must be approximately 300 grams. Mix this well. Jaggery should be completely dissolved in the coconut milk, just like this. To the same pan I'll be using to cook dodol, I am adding half cup rice flour. Please note I have not yet turned on the flame. I have just kept this pan on the stove. A little by little, we are going to strain and add the coconut milk and jaggery mixture to the rice flour. Mix this thoroughly so that no lumps are left in it. See this? This has become super smooth now. Now we are going to add the remaining mixture. It is very important to strain this mixture to leave behind any impurities in the palm jaggery, if any. I am adding a spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Sugar to dodol is not added for sweetness, but to give it a nice glossy look and texture. You can completely skip sugar. It will not have any impact on the taste of dodol. Now it's time to turn on the flame. Keep stirring this mixture continuously on a medium flame. At least for initial 15 to 20 minutes, do not stop stirring. After 20 minutes, you will see the mixture has started to thicken and the color has also become dark. Look at this. When it comes to this consistency, I am now adding 2.5 cups thick coconut milk and continue with the stirring process on a medium flame. Stirring rigorously is the only hard work that is required in this entire recipe. Look at this. Now this dodol has reduced to half of its original quantity. I am now adding 5 to 6 chopped cashews and continue stirring on a medium flame for the next 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I have greased some of these molds with ghee to set our dodol. You can use molds of your own choice. Dodol can literally set in a steel bowl or a steel plate also. So let's transfer this hot dodol to the greased molds one by one. You have to be quick with this process of setting dodol because it becomes stiff as it cools down. Now let this dodol cool down at room temperature for about 2 hours. This dodol is completely set now after 2 hours. I am going to demold it and decorate it with some cashews. It can be easily cut with the help of a knife also. You can shape dodol the way you want. So this was our Christmas special Goan dodol. Super tasty and super healthy. The one which you get in the market nowadays contains maida, oil and preservatives to give it a good texture and preserve longer. So follow this step-by-step process and make your own dodol for your friends and families. I'll see you again in the next recipe video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.